Nom 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 nom. Ooh. Well, hello there. I was just eating some Applejack. So you want to have a Nerf roller, do you? Well, do you know the rules of a Nerf roller? I don't, but you wouldn't. But I didn't know some things doing the Nerf roller. Tell that to Sasha. Last time she was in the Nerf war. Look what happened to her. Look at her. She has bird grass all over her. She got boots. Well, anyway, want to know those tips? Oh, sorry. Check out my phone. First thing never to do in the Nerf war is never act like your gun won't shoot. Cool. What the? The heck? And that's one thing you should never do in a Nerf war. Come on, come on, come on. They're for kids. Peace.